Hello and welcome everyone to a new video on your channel, Mr. Tech Tips. Before watching the video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and don't forget also to like this video. In today's video, I will show you how to turn on autoplay on Netflix app. So to do this, you have just to go to the Netflix app, open it. Of course, you should have an account. After that, you have to click on My Netflix. After that, click on the name of your profile and click on Manage Profiles. Here, click on the pen on your profile picture or icon and scroll down a little bit until you find the option of autoplay next episode. If you find it like that off, you have just to click on it and it will be turned on, and like that when you are watching a TV show, it will change to the next episode directly without the need of you clicking on any button. I hope that you like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel to like this video. See you in the next one.